Type conversion in Python. AttributeError, str object has no attribute Astype. I am confused by the type conversion in Python pandas. Here df is a pandas series and its contents are 2 strings, then I can apply Astype float on this pandas series, and it correctly convert all string into float. However, gives me AttributeError, str object has no attribute Astype. My question is, how can that be? I could convert the whole series from string to float, but I couldn't convert the entry of this series from string to float. Also, I load my raw data set. It generates value error, invalid literal for int with base 10. This one seems to suggest that there is a blank in my df id. So I check whether it is true by typing. It says false. So I am very confused.
df returns a series object that has Astype as a vectorized way to convert all elements in the series into another one. df returns the content of one cell of the data frame, in this case the string 0.123. This is now returning a str object that doesn't have this function. To convert it, use regular Python instruction. As for your second question, the operator in that is at the end calling underscore contains underscore against the series with as argument. Here is the docstring of the operator. It means that the an operator is searching your empty string in the index, not the contents of it. The way to search your empty strings is to use the equal operator.
df will return the actual value inside the array, at the position 1, which is in fact a string. You can convert it by using float df. For the second question, maybe you have an empty value on your raw data. The correct test would be source for the second question, this URL.
In addition to the solutions already posted, you could also simply use If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.